Problem number 420 is not unlike the other problems we've done, but nevertheless we ought to look at it. It's a little bit different. Not much. Sorry, I thought I had my pen up. Okay, so draw a 3-body diagram of that. We'd be looking at something that looks like this. Go in there. Now it looks like A is pinned, so we would have potential for AY, potential for AX. Looks like I've got a 6 kip force right here. And that distance is, I believe it's 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet. We got a 7 kip force out here. And the distance between is 4 feet. Then we've got BY, which we think is right here, pushing up, more than likely. And then BX is 0. And that's because this thing is on a roller. And then we've got an 8 kip force out here, out beyond B, so it's cantilevered. And the distance between the 7 and that is actually 8 feet. So let's see if we put some down here. Maybe this is 6 feet, and we got down to B. We actually have 6 and 5 is 11. And then finally, all the way out, we would have, 12, 14. All the way out to that 8 kip force. So if I did summation of forces in the X equals 0 equals AX, and that's all we get for that. So there is no X component here, if you will. Summation of forces in the Y. We have AY minus 6 minus 7 plus BY minus 8. Of course, they're all kips. 2 unknowns, so we'll do our summation of the moments about A. Make that equal to 0. Get 6 kips, making this go clockwise, which is negative, times 2 feet, minus 7 kips times 6 feet, plus BY at 11 feet, minus 8 kips at 14 feet. Even though it's beyond B, it's still trying to make this thing rotate clockwise relative to A. So if we leave BY where it's at, we end up with 11 BY equals, and then all this switches to the other side of the equation, becomes positive. So we've got 12 plus what, 7 times 6, would that be 36? Plus 8 times 14 be about what, 90 something? $112. Sorry. Where is it? 112. 12, and those are all kips and feet. Oh, and that wasn't 36. 7 times 6 is 42. Been too long since I've done my multiplication as a kid, I guess. I have to ask a 5th grader. 42. Okay, so by equals all this. Well, we got 12 and 42. That'll be about 54, 56, and 110 would be about 166 divided by 11. So let's see. Divided by 11. 15 equals 15.1 kips. Came out a positive value, so BY was going up. Once we get that, we can put that up here. 15.1. Now it did come out a positive value, so we don't have to worry about changing the signs of anything. But when we go to the other side of the equation, 6 plus 13, excuse me, 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 8 be 21, wouldn't it? Minus 15.1, so AY would be 5.9 kips. We said it was going up, it still is going up because it's a positive value, and that's all we would need for that particular problem as well. So that's pretty straightforward. They just had a difference here. We had a cantilever beam we had to deal with, so that's the only difference.